ANAFI is a flying camera that contains cutting-edge photography software and hardware. An integrated camera uses a latest generation sensor for spectacular 4K HDR videos and 21 megapixel photos. HDR adds a far more dynamic range to the image. It's ideal for filming a sunset or a bright blue sky with exposed backdrops. ANAFI is the only drone on the market able to do this. It's a camera capable of taking unique photos and videos that just aren't possible with any other drone in the same category. The camera tilts from -90 to +90 degrees vertically and takes shots from all angles. The camera is equipped with a wide-angle lens featuring a 110-degree diagonal field of view. The optic was specifically designed to limit lens flare in all lighting conditions.
We integrated an up to 2 times lossless digital zoom and an up to 3 times standard digital zoom. The zoom led us to create a brand new smart drone called Dolly Zoom, better known as the famous vertigo effect.
Imagine a machine that has the performance of a tank and a drone. Meet the X-Tank Copter, the world's first flying tank. On the ground, goes through narrow gaps, drive in rough terrain, drift and more.
Hi, my name is Vitek and this is the X-Tank Copter. After 2 years of development, I can finally say the drone is ready to bring you a lot of fun. My background is in product design and robotics. Since the drones being only able to fly, my ultimate goal was to design the drone that can operate in different environments.
In the air, the drone is an agile flyer. The onboard camera will capture your mission in HD quality. Take full control of the drone with the included smartphone app. Immerse yourself in the experience with the included high-quality VR goggles. The drone features Caterpillar tracks, 3.6-inch propellers, HD camera, micro SD card, front and back lights, can fit various battery sizes. Pivoting crash-resistant arms. It also comes with a 2.4 GHz remote controller. Don't worry, we've got your back here. The drone's arms are designed to survive the worst crashes. The X-Tank Copter is production ready, but we need your help in order to meet the factory minimum order quantity and make it available to everyone at affordable price.
Thank you for your time and support.
Is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
Meet Fairy, a small yet powerful pocket-sized drone that you can take anywhere you go. Thanks to its Fairy app, anyone can fly Fairy with ease. It allows you to take off and start taking photos with a single touch. The app comes with 3 flying options. Fly it by using the directional buttons, rotating dials, or even turn your phone into a motion sensing controller. Fairy's SLAM position technology uses optical flow sensors to hover steadily. Together with its 1080 HD resolution camera, Fairy is able to capture amazingly crisp videos and images. Fairy is built with a dual GPS system to accurately locate its exact position. It can return to its initial location with just a touch. What's more, Fairy can even auto-track the subject while recording. You can use controller to fly it too. With up to 16 minutes of recording time, capture your videos and photos more than any other pocket-sized drone has ever before. Portable and easy to use, let Fairy capture all your memories.